We have, as BONHATA, we have 1,587 rooms, and then 12 of them are reporting, which means that we have a total of 1,262 rooms reporting, yes. So this is approximately 50% of the total room inventory of what TCB just showed. That means that we have the biggest hotels, but we don't have all the Airbnbs and villas on the island reporting to us or as members. So the hotels are indicator of how the industry is doing. So let's see how it's doing. We started the year with a lot of hope, and we have all the good intentions of making this year amazing. However, numbers don't lie. So let's see how we're doing. If we look at we start with the occupancy. If we look at the occupancy of 2024 in January, we had we started a little slow. In February, the occupancy was the same as 2023. However, in March, it picked up a little bit, so that makes up for Q1. We have the same result as last year in 2023. If we look at the forecast, so what is coming up, or what are we hoping for? We see that there will be an increase in occupancy of 11%. From 56% in 2023 to 62% in 2024. And that's what we are, that's our projection. But if we look at our ADR, the average daily rate, we see a decrease of 7% in comparison with 2023. And the forecast, we see a further decrease of 12% from $201 to $177 in 2024 this year. That is for the Q2. So what would be the cause of this, that this is happening? It is, for example, we have, like Miles already showed, that we have a lot of rooms on the island from 2019 to 2024. We grow with more than, like, I think 60%. So that is a lot. And the airlift that we have is not enough to fill in all the rooms. So what we see that might happen, and what you see in the numbers, is that some of the accommodations are lowering the prices in order for them to be able to fill up the rooms so they can be afloat as a business. Which is basically what we don't want to see happening, but it is happening. If we look at the RevPAR, as a result, of course, of the lowering of the ADR, even if the occupancy is a little bit higher, we see that the RevPAR, the revenue per available room, this is the revenue, not profit, because then after the revenue, you still have to take all the costs, and the cost of doing business are extremely higher this year, especially in 2024 this year, than the years before. We see that the RevPAR is also decreasing from with 9%, 112 to $102 this year. That's the projection for Q2.